Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management, San Francisco. I'm at 24 Danvers today. We're going to be sharing this two-bedroom property with you. Just as reference, we have the Castro district right there. There's a little park. That's Market Street, so easy access to highways and such. There is a parking spot that's available with 24 Danvers. So you go through this gate, secure gate. Kept closed, and then we are greeted by a nice little courtyard garden area here with nice lush greenery. Now this unit is the first 2 floors, so there is laundry available. So right here, this is no coin. There's no coin, so that is free to use. And we got a nice little balcony area. Let's first go to this really amazing deck. All right, so through this lush jungle, and here we are. This is a huge deck. I'm looking at the water right now. I don't know if you can appreciate that with this camera. The park over there, the Castro area, and of course, quick access to Market Street. And then looking back, we can see this is a 4-level, and again, first 2 levels are this apartment I'm going to be sharing with you. All right, let's go through the front door. All right, little foyer area. And this will go up to the living area, but first I want to stop at the first bedroom. You have double pane windows, window treatments, lots of closet space, and then the little hideaway closets right here. This is kind of cool. There's lots of little nooks and crannies in this house, which are fun. Then we have the shower, toilet, and turn around, we have sink, more closet space, and then that door goes actually underneath into a nice huge area for storage. So again, lots of storage opportunities in this property. All right, climbing the stairs. Lots of windows allowing light in. Some storage space there. That's where the hot water heaters are and such. This is really cool. This is a little den area. That bench, there's a little hideaway storage under there. But a great room for storage or an office, or really good place for having guests if you just need someone. You have people staying overnight, you could put a bed in there, and that would be really nice as well. Second bathroom, tub shower combination. Going right here, we have a nice big kitchen, range, dishwasher, and lots of cabinets, and of course, nice oversized refrigerator. Living room area, the cabinet right there is optional, and again, you have a nice green view looking out the window. And of course, I'm looking at the bay right now. So I see downtown in the bay out through the doors there. And then this is the upper bedroom with dish, and French doors out to the balcony. If you are interested in this property, give us a call. We're showing it. This is now January 2024, and we look forward to sharing this with you and having you move in. All right, thank you again. Again, this is 24 Danvers, and we look forward to seeing you.